Wait until you see what I do with yellow squash and zucchini, 2 sauces, 3 cheeses, completely carb-free and 0 guilt. Even though we have 2 meats here, it's lighter because the noodle is super flavorful, quite enjoyable. Look at those noodles. You can see a little bit of the cream from the Alfredo on it. Super good. Enjoying the best of both worlds, the keto way, the lighter, healthier way. So to make our zoodle version of it, because you know keto people want love too, and I'm sure they like to be able to have this, but they can't. They have to opt out because of the carbs of the pasta. So we have our zucchini that we're going to mix with our yellow squash that we spiraled ourselves. We have our cooked shredded chicken. We have our red bell peppers, green bell peppers, and our onions. And we have to make our Alfredo sauce. We have our Parmesan, our grated as well as our shredded. We have our cream cheese, and we have our half and half, and we have some garlic, and we also have some garlic powder, and we also have a little bit of some flavoring of some little better than bouillon garlic as well. And we also have that will cover our Alfredo sauce. And we're gonna have our cheese that we're gonna incorporate. It's gonna be our Gouda cheese. And I also have some mild cheddar. Now to make our red sauce, we have our diced tomatoes here, and we have our pasta sauce here. And then we have our meat, of course. We have our ground beef, and we have our olive oil to cook our ground beef in. And we have some seasoning here. We have a better than bouillon beef base. We have our slap your mama seasoning and our Montreal seasoning here. And always gotta add some Italian seasoning with that. And we have our Himalayan salt and black pepper. And of course we have our onion powder and garlic powder as well. And to add more veggies to the equation, we have our mushrooms that I diced up really small as well. And also to make our Alfredo sauce, I forgot to mention that we definitely need our butter to do our Alfredo sauce. And there you have all of our ingredients. And of course, you can't have a nice good red sauce without some fresh basil, which is also part of our ingredient for our red sauce. So there we'll have the red sauce, both of Both Worlds, and the Alfredo sauce as well on the keto version of the noodles as opposed to the pasta. We also have with our other cheeses some fresh mozzarella. Now, if you don't have fresh mozzarella, you can use the, shredded processed mozzarella. And I'm gonna add some of my veggies here, my red bell pepper and green bell pepper. So here's the green. So here's the red bell pepper. And this is some roasted garlic. Put a little bit here. Also a little bit of the roasted garlic. Small, not too much, just this much. All the vegetables kind of softening up. Get our onions to be translucent. I'm going to add a little bit of Himalayan salt here. Our veggie. A bit of our black pepper. And our meat is going to get cooked in this, so some of the flavoring will already be in here. I'm gonna add my garlic powder here, onion powder here as well. Okay, so I'm going to actually add a little bit of that lime juice that we were talking about to my beef, and I'm gonna add my Montreal steak seasoning. Let me add a little bit of slap your mama. So we've cooked our meat, just trying to drain some of my liquid here, and I am gonna add my diced tomatoes. I just added our diced tomatoes. And I'm gonna add our tomato sauce here. And I'm gonna add just a little bit of brown sugar, just to kind of tone down the acid from the diced tomatoes as well as the sauce. So our meat sauce is going. I'm gonna cover and let it simmer for about 10 minutes. So I'm adding my fresh basil to my meat sauce. Just gonna gently stir it in. There we have our meat sauce. And now we're gonna work on our Alfredo sauce. Here's our vitamin content. And my onion. I'm gonna add a little bit of garlic powder to it. Then we're gonna put our cream. Okay. Now let me add our half and half. I'm gonna add your cream cheese. A little bit of Himalayan salt. And I'm going to stir in here until my cheese is melted before I add the Parmesan. So here we're adding the Parmesan cheese. I added a little bit of grated Parmesan as well, and that's why I'm trying to break up a little bit. We want that cheese, that gooey cheese, that goodness to not stay on the utensils. We want it to go in your belly. So our Alfredo sauce is done. It's nice and thick. I've already sauteed the mushrooms that I had cut up with some yellow squash and some zucchini. This is for my keto folks. So this is super long. Okay, let me get some cheese in here. Putting Gouda. Here we are. We're gonna mix our cheeses. I'm also adding my shredded chicken pieces. Once we spread this out, then we'll add the mozzarella and the Parmesan, and we're gonna bake it. And so I think this is my keto version. Now, get my mozzarella. And now we put the Parmesan. So I am now adding my layer of meat sauce here. And then I will put my mozzarella cheese and my Parmesan, the shaved Parmesan, and I will bake this in the oven. Once it's done, here we go. Cheese here. I'm gonna put this in the oven on 375 for about 15 to 20 minutes. You really kind of just want the cheese to melt because the vegetable is ready, you know, semi-cooked and everything else is cooked. So with this glass dish, hopefully you can see the layers and hopefully you can see those layers with the glass dish. Keto style. Here are a list of ingredients. This is our zucchini keto Zoodles, replacing the pasta, the spaghetti from. Who says because you're in keto that you can't have the best of both worlds? That instead of using spaghetti, we used zucchini that we spiraled and yellow squash, and we added some shredded chicken in here and our meat sauce, and of course, who cannot forget this wonderful cheese? Well, we're going the healthier route today, and we're having zoodles, which I spiraled, and not just with zucchini, but yellow squash as well, because I love colors and contrast of colors, and zucchini is very much, you know, water-based. As you notice that a lot of, from my meat sauce, a lot of the water from the zucchini is coming out, but it's full of nutrients, and we're using the zoodles to do the keto version that's kind of all the craze. So we used Alfredo sauce with it, and we made our Alfredo sauce and we used our meat sauce, but instead we added some fresh mozzarella cheese, we added some shredded chicken, we added some Gouda and some mild cheddar. So that was what we added to make our own version. Now we have two meats here. It's lighter because the noodle is like air. Super flavorful, quite enjoyable. Look at those noodles. You can see a little bit of the cream from the Alfredo on it. Enjoying the best of both worlds, the keto way, the lighter, healthier way. Not depriving yourself of anything but regular carbohydrates of noodles. You just use vegetables. So here's our call to action. Don't forget to click the like button by giving us a virtual hug. When you do that, now, if you haven't subscribed already, I'm gonna ask you, please subscribe and share this channel with your family and friends. They won't regret it, neither will you. And I wanna show you my two books. If you love salads, here's a book for you. If you love salads, and again, a twist on boring salads. So you get to have a variety and make unique salads. And this book here, Loving Every Bite, just came out. They're both available on Amazon.com. And this has everything in here for everyone. Keto, vegetarian, regular eaters. There's something in here for everyone. And you'll truly enjoy loving every bite of this. Recipes.